Okay guys, out for a night walk. It's only about 9 o'clock, but it feels much later than that. Yeah, I've just had a walk down the front, and as I thought, there's a lot of bars open up there. There's about 4 or 5 all the way down. So, yeah, this time of year the front's probably not the place to go in the evening. Of course they're open all day. In the daytime. So we're down in the bottom now, down on the Wion End, British End if you want. Yeah, I got told off calling it the English End. There's a cable ski there. I'm not sure if that's still running. I don't think that's still running now. Go, that's been closed down now till next year. Boat trips were quite funny there. Closed down till Christmas Day. We can start again on Christmas Day. Seems a bit unusual. I had a look at that last week, I think it was. Got the Nadell Hotel up there. That looks like that's closed up for the season. And the Benny Cactus, the sister hotel. That looks like that's still open. The light on up there. That's this, where are we? This building here. A couple of bars open down here. Right down the end now though. These are, I've been told, more expensive bars. Stag and pheasant. Oh, I thought it was 2 bars, just the 1 bar down there. Yeah, it's gone pretty quiet. There's a Christmas tree there. Always look better at night. And you got McDonald's, that's still open. We'll go and see if the other 2 are. There's Burger King further up and a Subway. Yeah, Burger King's still open. So it's 9:10 now. Feels like the middle of the night, to be honest. 16 degrees. Yeah, warmer night tonight. Subway, where's Subway now? Subway's there, that's closed. There's not a lot open down here. The Indians open there. That's well. It's just that time of year now. It will pick up for Christmas, obviously. It's just these couple of weeks before Christmas it always goes really dead. Some of the bars will be back open for Christmas as well, I'm sure. I'm just letting staff have time off now. They'll probably close early today, big day tomorrow, big public bank holiday. So they might just have finished a bit early tonight. Okay guys, we're up on the Wion End. Show you what's open up here. Not a lot of people about. Yeah, Mr. Chips up there. My chips. I was called Mr. Chips, I don't know why. American style burgers and such like. Alrighty, so that's still open. Good place if you want a better quality meal. Yeah, I'll do it now. Yeah, really good food in there. Yeah, it's a little bit quiet up here. Big Ben's open over there. I think they're just about shut in. It's a new bar that's gone in there, I think. There you go. Okay, guys, anybody my age will probably remember these. Quick Save. It's a big supermarket in the UK. Got the red line over the road, that's still open. A few in there, not a huge amount. Zoom that up a little bit for you. There you go. Okay, next up is the Wok Chinese restaurant. It's just next door. You got a corner bar there as well. Brilliant for fish and chips. Get there on a Friday. Best fish and chips I've had in years. So the walk here, Mandarin Chinese restaurant. Very good in there. You can get the chef to cook what you want to how you want it, and you can watch him do it. Not too busy tonight. Can get packed there. We're up here a bit late. Surprised to see this place open. Rock and roll bar still going. Rock and roll house. They just yeah. They usually close this time actually, and open up just before Christmas. Haven't done that this year. Plenty of action up here. Great night in there. See if we can do all this thing. Now we're going to have to go and see what else is on, and we'll get back to you. That's a nice distance there. Alibabas. Not Trust Premium. Still with plenty of shows on there now. Should have thought. Have a look in a minute. That's what they've got on, guys. Yeah, there's still parcel shows on, even for up this end. By the Rio, sorry, up by the Flamingo Oasis or Amelia. The last one I went to see was open, the Tropical Bar. Obviously that's shut. Might be open again for Christmas, a couple of days before Christmas. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. We are trying to get up to that 6,000 subscribers. Hopefully we'll get there before New Year. So yeah, we'll see you on the next one anyway guys. Bye.